guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup videos on every Friday and sometimes bonus videos around the week. And today's video is all about unboxing Glamego subscription box for the month of November. The box has been sent by the brand itself, but though the review and everything will be my own. So yes, without further ado, let's go. Here is the box, so let's do unboxing. Oh wow, looking at the festive season, Glamego curated this box with the festive theme. You can see the box look like this, which looks absolutely stunning because it has that festive theme, guys, with the lady wearing the mang tikka and the bindi. Perfect for the festive season because we Indian love traditional attire, traditional jewelry and makeup like anything. So yes, I really like the color. It's emerald green colored box with the lady on the top and it looks super cool. So yes, without wasting any time, let's see what's inside this box. Here's the box from inside. Yes, I'm dropping everything, but never mind. Well guys, you know the festive season, it's all about spending time with your dear ones, and yes, my online family is my favorite place to hang around. So I thought of why not sharing 5 facts about me and also 5 facts about Glamego. Okay, the first fact about me is that I have a cockroach phobia. I am dead scared about cockroaches, guys, and that's the truth. Second is that I sneaked out when I was in college and hostel. I used to sneak out with my friends to watch movies. So yeah, I mean, I used to sneak out from the back gate of the boys hostel with my friends to watch movies. The third thing is that I cook amazing desserts because I love desserts and I can feed as much as you want. Before taking journalism as a career, before studying journalism for my masters, I did 3-day or a 1-week class in Jadavpur University in Film Studies Masters. So yeah, that's the reason why I am a movie buff, because I love watching movies, and yeah, and finally I end up filming stuff. The last and the final thing about me is that I trust people a lot, and yeah, that's why I get a heartbreak. So right now I will tell you 5 facts about Glamego as well. So 100% original and genuine products they sent, and products sourced directly from the premium and the luxury brands. Then the third fact about is that it includes products which can be used every day. Yes, and then lakhs of happy and satisfied customer all over India, including me. And the fifth fact about is that you get more than 4 times of what you pay. That's a real deal, guys, because the box cost around $3.99 and you get more, around 2,000 bucks of products you get in the box. Those were the 5 facts about me and Glamego. I hope you understand and yeah, you can relate some of them as well. The first product is the Bella Vostra liquid lipstick, and I got in the shade Wild Child, which I'm wearing right now, and it's pretty red. I love red. This is the red season coming up, guys, because New Year, then Christmas, you just wear a red lipstick, you can slay anything. So yes, this is the Bella Vostra lipstick. It's a pretty matte, and yeah, I really like the formulation. I find it very velvety but yet very matte, and it looks stunning. You can see how it looks on my lips when I tried, but swatching the color like over here, and it's super pigmented. Guys, you can see it's super pigmented, and I love red lipsticks, guys. Then the second is that Health Vita charcoal tooth powder. So this is the activated charcoal tooth powder. Good, you just need to dip your wet brush inside the bottle and you just grab the product and you just brush it. All the stains which you get from greasy food. Like I told you, I'm a dessert lover, so yeah, activated charcoal powder really helps to remove all the stains, and it has that cooling effect once you have a mouthwash. And the charcoal, like, you know, it extract all the dirt, all the stains from your tooth, and your tooth becomes sparkling, shining like anything. The third product is a body mist by BioBloom. Oh my god, I love body mist, perfume, body spray which has a natural refreshing fragrance like this one, which is water lily. I really like it. I just took a bath and I just straightened my hair, so yeah, let me. Oh my god, oh my god, it's just amazing. So this will really fit in my purse and I can carry wherever I want. The the fourth product is this Farmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Daily Therapy 24-hour moisturizer. The final product is the Hair Spa Kit by Sasa. It's a mud mask, probably. Yeah, I have used it earlier. I can't recollect when. It's a hair spa kit. It contains of 3 things, I guess: shampoo and a mask and a serum. Yeah, exactly right. So here's the first thing, which is the shampoo. The shampoo mud shampoo kinda. It's a therapeutic hair shampoo mud hair spa. So it's a shampoo, then the hair mask and a serum, guys. So yes guys, it's a unisex product as well, so you can share with your husband or brother or your father. And yeah, so that's the end of everything, nothing left. So the box is empty. To know more details about Glamego Box and the subscription plan, please check the description box below. I will share all the details related to it. And I really like this month's box, guys. And yes, so with that I finish my video. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I share video on my channel. And yes guys, love you so much. Take care and bye bye.